to school na! Pero moms, ready na ba kayo sa pinaka-challenging part? Since it's National Baon Month, may baon plans na ba kayo for your kids? Ako, ready na! Nakalis na yung mga easy but healthy baon ideas ko para less stress pagpasukan. Sample 30-minute baon idea ba kailangan mo? Chicken teriyaki. Tip ko, marinate your chicken the night before para sa umaga, thaw and cook na lang. Less hassle, less morning panic. Coat the chicken with cornstarch, fry until golden brown. Then for the sauce, super easy lang. Let it thicken, then coat each piece. Of course, add veggies too. Dito sa bahay, favorite ng kids ko ang garlic kangkong. Pero alam nyo, mas na-excite kumain ng kids kapag cute din ang baonan. Good thing, I found this new Lock and Lock Soft Pop Lunch Essential. Trusted brand ko ng Lock and Lock, and this Soft Pop, super aesthetic. I chose light blue, ang cute kasi, and para unisex color. I got the Lock and Lock Energetic Tumbler. Keeps water cold for a long time. My one-touch lid, adjustable strap, and ang cute pa ng charms. Something cute and something new. And this 2-tier lunchbox, super organized. May extra storage for snacks and sauces, plus dividers para sa kids na ayaw naghahalo ang food. Plating time! Ang cute, no? Kahit mommy, gusto na rin magbaon kapag ganito kaganda ang baonan. Back to school ready na kami! Kayo, ready na ba?